Classic design by MATAMEYE is a outdoor wall lantern fixture for all weather, summer, spring, fall. And what we're going to do is unpack it, show you what you get inside the box. You get an instruction guide on how to install. Option for light bulbs we have here is a 2700 through 6000 light bulb. Is an A15 6-pack. It goes into your E26 light. So let's take everything out. You can see how nicely it's packaged and presented to you. And it's going to get hooked up outdoors. I'll show you what it looks like. In our area, we have over here a setup with the junction box that you simply take the screws out. With the holes left and right, place on, level and straighten, and lock down. Hook your ground, load and neutral to your fixture. With the E15 bulb, they can now be placed in and go hang our fixture up outside. With the screws in on each this side, lock down. We'll give a test and come back in the evening hours and show you the outdoor light fixture. Classic look, comes in 2 colors. Check online for further detail about the product and the optional bulbs you have. This is an E15 6-watt bulb, 5000 Kelvin for the light. Indoor, outdoor, around the house, the front, the back, by the barn, wherever you need to have light. We'll show you what this looks like. So the classic lantern is lit with the 6-watt 5000 Kelvin, equivalent to a 60-watt bulb. That a 60-watt max bulb is for these fixtures. Is outdoor, all year round, weather resistant, comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. I hope you are interested in this outdoor light fixture. It's made of glass on all 4 edges and is open, so you can come in here and pull the bulb out, put a new bulb in when needed. Enjoy your product for your front door, side door, entranceway, and more. Thank you very much for viewing, and I hope this product is something that you are looking for your outdoor needs.